Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change or update the payment method for your Microsoft Ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the payment method in your Microsoft Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different credit card, maybe a business credit card. So you want to be sure to update the payment method for your Microsoft Ads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the billing payment method, here on the left side, you're going to click on billing. It looks like a little wallet. Once you do that, you'll see this menu and you want to click on payment methods. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different payment methods you already have connected. However, to add another payment method, you look right up here at the top, you can add a credit or debit card, PayPal, bank transfer. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add a new card. Okay, next, Microsoft's going to ask for the billing country. Then you want to go ahead and choose if you want to replace the current primary payment method, holder name, card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security code. So I'm going to enter all this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in all the required information. I'm going to click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you should see this green pop-up. We've successfully added your card associated with your Microsoft advertising account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the payment method for your Microsoft Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.